Kincora Copper Limited is well positioned to become the leading pure-play explorer in Australia's foremost copper porphyry region, the Lachlan Fold Belt of New South Wales.
The Lachlan Fold Belt is host to a mineral endowment of over 100 million ounces of gold and over 24 million tonnes of copper. For copper and gold, it is the place to be, according to globally recognised mineral economist Richard Shoddy. This is underpinned by multiple world-class mines, hosting multiple high-grade deposits in a clear Tier 1 jurisdiction.
Australia's largest gold mine is Cadia, which is one of the world's most profitable hard rock mines and the largest alkalic porphyry system in the world. Kincora's technical director, John Holliday, originated, managed and led the discovery phases at Cadia and is a foremost figure for this region. Like other major projects in the region, Cadia is a gold-rich series of porphyry-related deposits, with the skarns being both an important initial mining operation in their own right, but greatly assisting in the discovery of the larger associated finger porphyry deposits.
Extensive public access exploration data, lack of deeper drilling and new discoveries demonstrate further exploration prospectivity. Existing infrastructure and proven low-cost mining techniques mean cut-off grades for economic development are significantly reduced relative to many other copper and gold jurisdictions.
Within the Lachlan Fold Belt, the Macquarie Arc hosts all of the world-class porphyry-related mines and is comprised of two predominant volcanic belts which are clearly illustrated in regional magnetic trends. Within the Molong Belt is Newcrest Mining's flagship Cadia mine and Alkane Resources' recent Bota discovery. The parallel Junine Narromine Belt hosts Evolution Mining's flagship Cow mine, the China Molybdenum and Sumitomo-owned North Parkes mine, and Alkane's flagship Tomingley gold mine.
An illustration of the multiple deposits at the various world-class mines in the region are shown. We now demonstrate Kincora's near-term drill targets.
Since April 2020, Kincora has been drilling the Trundle project, situated in close proximity to the Sunrise Battery Metals Complex development project of Robert Friedland's Cleantech, and in the same mineral complex to North Parkes. North Parkes is Australia's second largest porphyry mine, already hosting over 5.5 million ounces of gold and over 4.5 million tonnes of contained copper in a series of porphyry and skarn-related deposits. Trundle is the only brownfield project held by a listed junior in the Lachlan Fold Belt and interpreted to be the western, rifted-off section of the North Parkes intrusive complex.
Despite over 60,000 metres of prior explorer drilling, only 11 holes have been drilled to depth that might test the potential core of a Macquarie Arc or North Parkes finger porphyry deposit, with over 92% of prior holes to less than 50 metres.
This shallow drilling has identified a large footprint of anomalous copper and gold mineralisation. Kincora's drilling activities to date have focused on the Mordialloc and Trundle Park targets located approximately 8.5 kilometres apart. Such a large footprint is common of many world-class porphyry systems, including the neighbouring mining complex at North Parkes.
Prior to Kincora, the last field work undertaken was by high-powered exploration, which deployed its proprietary Typhoon geophysical system, seeking to explore beyond the previous drill space and assist to determine the potential source of the extensive near-surface mineralised footprint. Only one hole was drilled post this survey, with no activity of note having been undertaken since the last commodity cycle downturn until Kincora.
At the Trundle Park target, prior explorer drilling averaged only 28 metres, despite a large near-surface mineralised footprint coincident with the magnetic complex and chargeability anomalies. Deeper drilling by Kincora has resulted in significantly improved geological modelling, resulting in improved drill hole targeting and results. Drilling by Kincora has confirmed the targeted multiple phase intrusive system interpreted to be driving the significant skarn alteration and favourable mineralisation at or near surface. The first hole by Kincora made a new discovery, returning 51 metres at 1.17 grams a tonne gold and 0.54% copper from only 39 metres. This setting illustrates a significant mineralising event with high-grade copper and gold zones. Further drilling targeting both the skarn mineralisation and causative intrusion finger porphyries are proposed within the wider southern section of the project. In the northern section of the project, there are 3 areas identified for drilling within a larger confirmed intrusive complex called Mordialloc.
Current drilling by Kincora has focused to date to the central Mordialloc target, where prior drilling is interpreted to have not yet drilled into the core of the system, below a favourable geochemical footprint and significant anomalous downhole intersections.
Since the last period of exploration within Kincora's Fairholme and Gemelong licences, Evolution has grown resources at Cowal from 3.4 million ounces of gold to 9.7, with a target 15 million ounce total endowment.
Evolution also undertaking new discovery drilling at E39 and South Cowal prospects along a predominant north-south mineralisation corridor. The gateway target at Fairholme is closer to the Cowal Mill than the South Cowal prospect being targeted by Evolution. The Boda discovery by Alkane Resources provides proof of concept for porphyry copper-gold potential in the northern and underexplored regions of the Macquarie Arc and in this region. Since Kincora's entry to the region, a significant pegging rush has taken place with the increase in drilling activities by juniors and majors alike.
The 100% owned Nyngan and Nevertire projects cover a strategic portion of an underexplored region which potentially covers the largest intrusive centre of the Macquarie Arc. This region is favourably compared to the Lachlan Transverse Zone, often interpreted as a fundamental control for the formation of the Cadia and North Pass systems, but sits under post-mineral sedimentary cover. Kincora Copper is an active explorer led by an industry-leading technical team with unique knowledge of the Macquarie Arc and track record of Tier 1 copper-gold discoveries. Over 17,000 metres of drilling is planned in the 12 months post-listing on the ASX, with drilling continuing at the Brownfield Trundle project and maiden programs at both the Nyngan and Fairholme projects. Kincora Copper is traded on the TSXV and ASX under the ticker KCC. Thanks for watching. Please check out our website for up-to-date news releases and drill results.